Found this old point from a Peavey, otherwise known as a cant hook, out in the woods, and it's pretty intact. I think I'm going to make a new handle for it and get it working again. The Peavey is a tool that loggers use to roll logs around. I'll show you how it's used at the end of the video. I'm using ash lumber here because it's a great material for tool handles. Here I'm gluing up a sandwich of boards. It'll be thick enough to turn on my lathe. I just built these wooden clamps according to John Heiss's design. This is my first opportunity to use them. Clamp them if you got them. I wanted to make a longer handle, but my lathe has a 3-foot bed, so that's the maximum length I could do. I got to taper the handle down to a point. The calipers will show me the right dimension. Whenever you're varnishing something that's going to be used outside where it might get wet, it's best to go with spar urethane. It's a mixture of like a linseed type oil and polyurethane. Just weathers better. Thanks for watching.